What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy.
Feels nice to be doing orders again.
And today, we are making the hanging greenery arch more. What do I mean by more? Check it out. So remember those hanging greenery ladders from the other video? These ones right here. Well, if you haven't seen the video, go watch that video first, and then come back to this video and continue right... Let's try that again. So we're taking some boards here and we're making stands so that the hanging greenery doesn't have to hang. It can stand over tables like this. Have to make some cuts to the boards. So what I have here are 8-foot boards. I've got 4 of them, and I've got 2 fence boards here. FYI, I ended up actually using 6 2x4s. So change that number to 6. Okay, let's take these lights down.
Let's.
We're gonna drill some holes right into here. I need my drill bits. Okay, so I've got these boards going sideways here. And I've got this one going 6 inches down and this one going 8 inches down to give it kind of that look. So I didn't like the way that the diagonal boards were going there. So when I said before that I needed 6 2x4s instead of 4, that's the reason why, is because I used 2x4s as the cross boards instead of those diagonally shaped ones. But I didn't video it, so blah. All right, ready? Yeah.
Oh my God!
All right, so it stood up here and it's good. All right, so it's standing up here and you can see it's bolted in there with a few bolts, some carriage bolts, and it looks good.
Looks good.
It looks really good.
Let's see if we can attach them. I'm kind of like anxious to see how that's gonna go.
Yeah, this is fantastic.
So it's mostly from this point now, it's just drilling, right? Because you'll attach this to the other one?
Yeah, it's just drilling. So now all I do is I attach the greenery ladders with boards and bolts and wing nuts. And then I can string as many as I want to make it as long as I want. So
A card by us for a party.
Oh.
nice. So now let's go set this bad boy up at the wedding show. All right, so we've got the stuff. We're getting ready. Let's go to the wedding show. All right, you ready to set this up? What? No, that's not my gum. That's free gum. Have a piece.
I'm going to.
Oh. So all in all, this piece at the wedding show was very popular. Everyone just thought the piece was stunning, and I rented it out multiple times, 12 or 13 times through the whole wedding show, which I'll show you in the next video. So stay tuned for the wedding show video. As always, you stay classy.
Butter.